Yeah, when you will editing pictures on ERP system, just for the main picture you need to make sure that these pictures, like here, when you have already uploaded all the products on the ERP system and you are going to edit. After editing title, bullet points and description, just make sure that your main picture here, the zero mean the main picture, even though it's not a good main picture, it should be like a single product like this one. This could be the main picture. Anyhow, like if it's your main picture, just make sure that this picture is at least 1000 the size. How you make confirm, just go and in edit section, and here you can see, because you people already make the editing, so that's why every picture is 1000 by 1000 here. And if it's not 1000 by 1000, you can edit here. This one you can see the last button, you can see the crop sign also here, so it's easy to remember. And here, if it's not, it's for example it was 700 by 700 or whatever, you just write 1000 in first box. Other box you don't have to worry about it, it will automatically adjust. Sometimes it's confirm here, save, done. Just only main picture, not all pictures. Yeah, the lowest subcategory. And today we learned the methods, you can use them, how to select the lowest subcategory by different methods, and some other useful steps like blue ocean keywords, top seller products, one category store. After you upload all the products on your ERP system and when you are going to edit them, go to picture section here, the last one, and check the main picture only, to make sure that the size is 1000 by 1000 or 1000 by some other number, but the first should be 1000. Go to editing, and here the last one, sorry, not crop one, the resize one, the resize button here. When you click it, you will see the two boxes, 1000 by 1000, or if there is some other number, you can just make the first one 1000, and the second one, it will automatically adjust according to the size, the relevant size, so you don't have to worry about the second one. Just change first to 1000 here, confirm. After you confirm it, and then go and save. Save. Simple. And then close it. If you delete some picture, how it could appear? Let me delete some pictures from this product. I will delete all these pictures with this one. Delete. The middle one is the delete for delete button. Delete it, and again I will delete this also. I deleted them, and when I save them, which one was that? Yeah, I think this one, right? This one.
No, no, no. You have deleted the first one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, you can see, check. There are no pictures, already deleted. So if you delete them, it would be deleted, obviously.